Unboxing the VideoMag HD from APH.
We're going to be unboxing the VideoMag HD handheld magnifier. So we can start off opening up the box. And on top, we have our USB mini, 2 full-sized USB. This is so you can connect the actual magnifier to like a screen or computer. Let's set that aside. We then have our main charging cable. This is what they call a 5-volt power cable. Now we're to look at this end here. This is one of the things that we get a lot of questions. This is blank. So you can't actually plug this into the wall. And we'll show exactly why. We'll just set it aside real quick. We have a wipe, clean off screens and stuff. Set that aside on this side. We have a neck strap. So you can clip this on if you want to hang around your neck. Set that aside over here. Dip in the ball. Bye. You never balance. And manual goes on your wrist. Keep you from dropping the device. Again, those are this. Now here is the fun part. So in this bag, they send us international collections. Push this box back, into some table. Right, set that aside. So we have to sort through and figure out which one we're going to use for what country. We're right now here in the USA, so we're going to take this 2-prong one. Now this is where this little device here for the charging comes into play. So we're going to align these screws. There's a little push button right there, which is how it unlocks. We can grab this from the sides and then line it up. Push with your thumb, locks in. So now you can plug this in, and then you can charge the device. It will be the actual device itself, so lift up the cardboard in here, and it's hidden underneath. And we can just pop this open. Nice case. Grab from the bottom, grab the device on the top, and slide out. So little with it. There we go. Set that aside. And now we're good to go. You can fold this out and use it as you need to.
And where's the port to plug it in for power?
There's where to go. Right there.
Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, and I see that next to it is the other port for the mini USB.
That's right. You got it.
And that mini USB again is for?
It's for plugging into like a screen or some other device, computer where you want to cast up to.
Got it. So that could be nice if you're in a classroom and maybe the whole class wants to see what you're magnifying. Maybe the teacher wants to share like something on the board. Everybody can look at it together. I could also see this being a nice bridge to moving from a handheld to more of like your traditional CCTV where you want to look at something on a larger screen. So maybe moving from a handheld to like a Jupiter.
In between?
Yeah, like an in-between if you wanted to do that.
Yeah.
Or sometimes you just need a larger screen.
Yep, that too.
Yeah. The CATT program is funded by a federal appropriation and works in partnership with the American Printing House for the Blind and Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind. Logos: APH, AIDB, and WSSB.
CATT, Center for Assistive Technology Training Northwest.